When I was 20, I carried a very specific image of myself into the future. I didn't imagine greatness. I wasn't foolish enough for that. I imagined something quieter, more reasonable. A man who stood straight. A man who was respected, if not admired. A man who had made enough good decisions that he could look at himself without flinching. I imagined steady work, a small home, a woman who knew my habits and stayed anyway. I imagined sitting at a table I paid for, drinking coffee I earned, feeling tired in a way that meant something had been built. Most of all, I imagined certainty. At 20, I believed adulthood arrived like a destination, that one day you woke up and became the man you were working toward. I thought effort naturally turned into identity, that time rewarded intention. I did not know that time is indifferent. Now I am old, and the mirror in my cell does not show the man I imagined. It shows someone smaller, not physically, though that too, but internally. The man looking back at me carries himself like he's apologizing for existing. His shoulders slope forward, as if bracing for impact that never comes. His eyes do not look outward. They look back. Always back. The strangest part is this. I don't see a villain. I see a man who kept waiting. I did not wake up one day and fail at life. There was no single collapse, no dramatic turning point where everything went wrong. My life didn't shatter. It thinned, slowly, quietly, almost politely. I postponed difficult conversations. I postponed choices that required courage. I postponed joy because it felt undeserved, then dangerous, then unfamiliar. Every delay felt temporary, sensible, responsible. Years passed without resistance. At some point, the man I planned to become stopped moving forward, and I didn't notice because I wasn't moving either. I look at my hands now and try to match them to the future I once imagined. These hands were meant to build something permanent. Instead, they learned repetition, routine, containment. They memorized the shape of bars and the weight of time. I don't hate the younger version of myself. That surprises people. I feel tenderness toward him,